Assalamu alaikum and welcome you all, my dear viewers. So today I would like to talk about the introduction of R with you, and rather R or not R, just the R Studio basically. It's more sophisticated software. The reason to choose the R Studio is that because it's a free software and there is no ethical issue basically, and the new versions are coming very frequently in that. So it's supposed that you have an idea about the basics R and you can easily download the R Studio. Then it will be the forthcoming videos will be fruitful for you. The R Studio needs to be downloaded and priorly the simple R. For example, I'm working with R Studio 4.2.1 version. Then firstly I have to download the simple R. As you can see, the first icon over here, this is the simple R, which is known to be R 4.2.1, and easily from the Google you can type it out and download it. After the installation of the simple R, you need to go for the R Studio, the same compatible version like 4.2.1 of the R Studio. We need to work it out for R Studio, not the simple R, because it's more sophisticated. But the R Studio will work if and only if you have priorly downloaded the simple R, the compatible version with R Studio. I hope this is fruitful for you. So you need to download it and then we will work it on after that. Now I'm hoping that you have all installed the R Studio. The latest version or even 4.2.1 is quite compatible, so you can work it for that. Now we need to open it and see the interface of the R Studio. It seems to be look like this. There are 4 windows. Different names, different sophisticated names are given to these 4 windows. How are the 4 windows over here? Like this is the first window, this is the second window, this is the third window, and this is the fourth window. The first window is has to be written for is the source. It's the technical name is the source window, but in that you can write up your commands, your functions, in simple manner I can say your inputs. You have to write something over there. Second is known to be the output window. It's the console. Here you have to write something and you can get the result over here. And this third window is known to be the environment. Here, whatever you have written over there, temporarily it will be stored over here and you can see it out. Now, the fourth window seems to be, it's a helping window. Usually we have to use it for the plots output, the packages, the help, and corresponding files. We can see it over here, different data files which we have been used frequently. It has to be covered over there. The plot will be displayed certainly when we give the command into the input window. There can be, I said already, sophisticated names for these windows, but in simply you can say input window, output window, it's a environment window, and there is the again output sort of things, plots and the packages you can get it over here. Now, for example, I can let you know that this is the variable names to be x. It's like equals to 2, or is the same thing you will write. X1 is the assigning operator to 2. You are assigning some value to 2, and here you are saying that x is equals to 2. Now, for example, again, y is equals to 5. Let it to show that x plus y will be displayed how. This is like I said input window. Your cursor can be anywhere over there. Then you have to go to run to execute this command, and the output can be seen over here. If it's going to be blue, then there is no worry about it. And by the way, these are the built-in functions for the RStudio. Then again, you have to store some values into the y over here. The 2 new variables, x and y. It is coming over here in the environment window. You see it's stored over there. Now, you want to make some arithmetic operation on that, like x plus y, you want to see. Just run it out and the answer will come to you, like 7. So it's quite simple arithmetic example which I have given. It can be more sophisticated, obviously, just to give you the idea, the essence of that, how it's worked out. Thank you very much for watching my video.